A Swagbucks sign-in failure is usually caused by an incorrect password, an account verification issue, an outdated app, a network problem, or a temporary problem with the Swagbucks service, rather than a permanent account ban. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify the cause and fix the login problem without trying random solutions. Start by confirming that you're entering the correct email address and password. If you've recently changed either one, use the updated credentials instead of older saved login details. Autofill can sometimes enter an outdated password without you noticing. If you're not sure about your password, use the Forgot Password option on the login screen. Follow the reset link sent to your email, create a new password, and then try signing in again. If you don't receive the email, check your spam and junk folders before requesting another reset. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi and try again. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the authentication process even if your account details are correct. If you're using the Swagbucks app, check for updates in your device's app store. Running an older version can sometimes cause login issues after the service has been updated. After updating, completely close the app and reopen it before trying again. If the problem continues, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Swagbucks, Storage and tap Clear Cache. If necessary, clear storage as well, but remember you'll need to sign back into your account afterward. If you're using the website, clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try signing in with a different browser or a private browsing window. Another thing to check is whether you're using a VPN or proxy service. Disable it temporarily and try logging in again. Security systems may require a normal connection before allowing access to your account. If you've recently created your account, check your inbox for any account verification email from Swagbucks. Completing the verification process may be required before you can successfully sign in. If none of these steps work, reinstall the app and try again. If the sign-in error still appears, contact Swagbucks support. Include the email address linked to your account, your device model, operating system version, screenshots of the error, and a description of the troubleshooting steps you've already completed. To sum it up, verify your login details, reset your password if needed, update the app, clear cache data, check your network, and disable any VPN before contacting support. Follow those steps in order to save time. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other Swagbucks troubleshooting tutorials.